Welcome to the best picks. The best DJI Mini 2 ND filters is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious aerial cinematographer looking to elevate their footage from good to absolutely breathtaking, allowing you to achieve that cinematic look by controlling shutter speed and motion blur in bright lighting conditions, ensuring your drone shots are not just videos, but true works of art that capture the essence of flight with unparalleled clarity and professional polish. Number 5. DJI Mini Series Lens Filter Set. Capture stunning aerial footage with our premium lens filter set. Designed specifically for your DJI Mini drone, these filters enhance your images with vibrant colors and sharp detail. This comprehensive set includes MCUV, CPL, ND4, ND8, ND16, and ND32 filters. You'll have the perfect tool for any lighting condition, from bright sunlight to overcast skies. The CPL filter effectively removes unwanted reflections from surfaces like water and glass. It deepens blues, brightens whites, and makes your photos more vivid and lifelike. Reduce the amount of light entering your lens with our ND filters. This allows for proper exposure in bright conditions and improves color saturation for a more dynamic image. The MCUV filter reduces haze and protects your camera lens from scratches and dust. Enjoy clearer shots, especially in high-altitude environments, while keeping your camera safe. Experience superior image quality thanks to advanced multi-coating. It minimizes reflections and flares, while the hydrophobic nano-coating repels fingerprints, water, and dust for consistently clear views. Our filters feature a user-friendly sawtooth design, making them incredibly easy to attach and remove from your drone's camera. Spend less time fiddling and more time flying. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive range of 6 filters, including CPL, MCUV, and multiple ND options. If you're looking for maximum versatility and the ability to adapt to a wide variety of lighting conditions and creative needs, this is a great choice. It provides all the essential tools for advanced drone videography and photography. What people say. The filters are well made and fit perfectly on the DJI Mini 2. The image quality is noticeably improved with these filters, reducing glare and enhancing colors. Easy to attach and remove, they don't add significant weight to the drone. Number 4. DJI Mini Drone Lens Filter Combo. Capture stunning aerial footage with this professional lens filter set. Designed specifically for your DJI drone, these filters enhance your camera's capabilities. Crafted with sharp German AGC glass, each filter is incredibly lightweight. They are designed for a precise fit and easy installation without affecting image quality. Reduce light in bright conditions for optimal exposure. These ND filters also boost color saturation, making your images more vivid and lifelike. Eliminate unwanted reflections and deepen colors with the CPL filter. It enhances blue skies and makes clouds pop, creating more dramatic and clear photos. Minimize reflections and flares with advanced multi-layer coatings. They also offer waterproof, oil-proof, and scratch-proof protection for your camera lens. This 3-filter combo includes CPL, ND8, and ND16 filters. They are essential accessories for any DJI drone pilot looking to elevate their photography. What we like. This is a lightweight 3-filter combo featuring CPL, ND8, and ND16. If you prefer a more streamlined kit and primarily need filters for common bright conditions and enhancing colors, this option is ideal. It's perfect for those who want essential control without carrying a larger set. What people say. The filters are easy to install and remove, fitting perfectly onto the DJI Mini 2 camera lens. The image quality is noticeably improved with the filters, reducing glare and enhancing colors, especially in bright sunlight. The set includes a good variety of filters, ND8, ND16, ND32, allowing for flexibility in different lighting conditions. Number 3. MINGVEN Mini 4 Pro ND Filter 6-Pack. Ready to take your drone shots from good to great? These filters are designed to help you capture crystal clear, professional quality images with ease. Experience superior image quality thanks to advanced coating that prevents color deviation. They are also waterproof, oil-proof, dust-proof, and scratch-proof for lasting performance. Crafted from high-quality optical glass, these filters ensure excellent light transmittance and true color reproduction. Eliminate harsh highlights and overexposure in bright daylight. This comprehensive kit includes CPL, ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64, and ND256 filters. Adapt to various lighting conditions for the perfect shot every time. Weighing only 0.7 g each, these filters won't affect your drone's gimbal. Installation is a breeze with a simple snap-on design. The upgraded packaging box provides a convenient way to store your removed drone lens while using the filters. What we like. This 6-pack kit includes a wide range of ND filters up to ND256, along with a CPL. If your main goal is to achieve cinematic motion blur and control exposure in very bright daylight for video, this set is excellent. The upgraded packaging also adds convenience for storage and transport. What people say. The filters are well made and fit perfectly on the DJI Mini 2. The image quality is noticeably improved with these filters, reducing glare and enhancing colors. The ND filters allow for smoother footage in bright conditions by enabling slower shutter speeds. Number 2. MINGVEN Avata 2 ND Filters, 6-pack. Introducing the MINGVEN Avata 2 ND Filters, a 6-pack set designed to elevate your drone photography. This set includes CPL, UV, ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64 filters for precise control. Achieve perfect exposure with light reduction from 3 to 6 stops. These filters ensure optimal shutter speeds in various lighting conditions, making them ideal for everyday photography needs. Capture richer scenic shots and improve clarity with the CPL filter. The UV filter protects your lens while preventing ultraviolet rays from affecting your footage. Engineered for a lightweight design, these filters won't affect your drone's gimbal or calibrations. They maintain balance and aerodynamics for agile flights and feature a secure snap-fit design. Our filters utilize advanced coating technology, preventing color deviation and offering waterproof, oil-proof, dust-proof, and scratch-proof protection. Easily clean them with the provided cloth. Made from environmentally friendly optical AGC glass from the US, these filters provide excellent optical performance, high light transmittance, and true color reproduction. Eliminate highlights and avoid overexposure during daytime shoots. What we like. Designed specifically for the Avata 2, this 6-pack includes UV, CPL, and a range of ND filters. If you own an Avata 2 and want to ensure optimal performance and compatibility, this is the set for you. It offers precise exposure control and protection for your drone's camera. What people say. The filters are well made and fit perfectly on the DJI Mini 2. These filters significantly improve the video quality by reducing glare and enhancing colors. The set includes a good variety of filters for different lighting conditions, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. Number 1. NEEWER 3-pack ND filter set for DJI Mavic Mini series. This set of 3 essential filters is specifically designed for your DJI Mavic Mini, Mini 2, or Mini SE drone. It comes with a convenient travel case for easy portability. Crafted from HD optical glass with 30 multi-layer nano coatings, these filters offer exceptional light transmission and clarity. They are waterproof, oil-proof, and scratch-resistant, minimizing glare and reflections for stunning visuals. Weighing less than a gram each, these filters won't affect your drone's gimbal performance. The aluminum alloy frame ensures a secure, easy installation and removal without compromising image quality. The ND8 filter reduces light by 3 stops, ideal for partly cloudy days, while the ND16 filter reduces light by 4 stops, perfect for bright midday sun. Use them to achieve creative time exposures or motion blur effects. The CPL filter effectively eliminates unwanted reflections from water and glass. It also enhances blue skies and highlights white clouds, improving overall image clarity and creating more vivid photos. What we like. This 3-pack offers ND8, ND16, and CPL filters made with high-quality, multi-coated HD optical glass. If you prioritize image clarity and durability with features like waterproofing and scratch resistance, this is a solid choice. The included travel case makes it easy to take your essential filters on the go. What people say. The filters are well made and fit perfectly on the DJI Mini 2. The image quality is noticeably improved with these filters, reducing glare and enhancing colors. Easy to attach and remove, they don't add significant weight to the drone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.